This is the No Fuss bell scarf. You'll notice it drapes around the neck beautifully. The bell scarf is designed for upper body wear, and we're going to show you a few ways today that you can wear your No Fuss bell scarf. So she takes her bell scarf off and she folds it in half, and you notice she's making it even at the bottom. And as she does that, she's going to knot it at the center neck. Just put a simple knot in it. Very easy to do. She opens her scarf and she places the center knot at her back. She brings the two top ends of her scarf together in front. Now she's going to grab a buckle and she slides her buckle on from the bottom up. She feeds it through her buckle. Now as she feeds it through, she makes her adjustments because she's going to open her ends and she's going to simply tie it around her neck. Now this is so easy, yet it's so quick, and she really has a really cute halter. She makes her adjustments. Now notice, it's cute in the back. She's got her silver buckle on. She's ready to go. It was just that quick and just that easy with the bell scarf. But let's just show you another way that she can easily do this. As she unwraps her bell scarf, she's going to leave the knot in the center back, but she's going to place her knot at her neck. She simply puts it around her neck. Now notice what she's going to do with the two ends of her scarf. She ties the two back ends together in back of her. Really easy. She just ties a comfortable knot. Now she has the vest. Really neat with her jeans or her skirt if she wants to wear a skirt with it in the office or at play. But maybe she wants to do a little something different after she leaves the office. So she takes the ends of her scarf and she just ties a knot in front. Gives her a completely different look. This is the No Fuss bell scarf. There's so many ways to wear the bell scarf as halters, sashes, neck wraps. You can see all of these things as you go to our website, www.nofusscarves.com, and look for the bell scarf and see all the different colors you can buy this one scarf in.